Alright guys, we're here to unbox my spectre performance air intake system for my 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. There you go. So I've got the stock intake. I'll just take it up and I'm gonna put the new air intake system. I'll give more horsepower and more sounding better. So loosen all the bolts here, here, and then two here that I already got taken up. So it's a B8 6.2 liter. Install the airflow mass sensor, and then after this put the rubber that holds the intake. So I got the airbox assembled, just need to be bolt on. Got the rubber on top, clip the hooks on the body. Got this here, proper place. So done, all done. Red spectre performance air intake. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video.